Yes people, what is poppin', and welcome back to a brand new video. This is probably going to look weird because we're in pretty much the same situation that we was in like a couple of days ago. So let's move anything that can cause a spark because we're about to get spicy. On the last video we did the upgraded fuel pump, so thankfully TEGIWA sorted us out with a Cytec 340 fuel pumps, obviously turbo, more fuel, all that kind of stuff. So we've upgraded the fuel pump, the start of many turbo related parts, and obviously I had a smell anyway in the car, so the car stunk of fuel. The owner said it was the seal, so the seal is actually under the stand, so I'm not going to show you that now. But basically there's a rubber seal that like clamps underneath this and locks it into place, so obviously it stops the vapour, stops the fuel from leaking out. So we thought it was that simple cheap fix, but it's not actually that. I'm going to insert a clip. Sorry, it's probably going to cut it like this, but you're actually going to see there's a bit of swearing in it, I think, so I'm going to have to bleep that out. But I'm going to just show you what's going on. So with that, right then, so before I left the car I cleaned up all of that, and it seems to have filled back up a bit. So even I don't know what to do. I don't know whether to undo the seal here, connect it up, put it on, and then see if I can see it seeping from somewhere. There's like an indent, but where does the indent go on the fuel tank? I have no, see, there's no like marking to say it should go anywhere. So I don't know. But all I do know is that's full again. Oh, I think I found it, you know. I think it's that. If you look there, see how black that is? See how like I've cleaned that. Without further ado, yet again the boys and girls at TEGIWA have sorted me out. So if you want anything, if you need anything, as I say, I'm going to link it all in description. So as we add to the collection of turbo parts, whatever we get from TEGIWA or wherever it may be, I'm going to link it in description. So so as you know, we got fuel pump, and then as obviously you will have saw this now, but the fuel sender has actually got a fault with it. So we've put a new seal, which was I think it's about 10 quid or something, 10-15 quid from TEGIWA. Obviously we thought that was the problem, and it's not the problem. So without further ado, cheeky little unboxing. So yeah, again another book. TEGIWA, if you're watching this, I don't need another one because I've already got one and I don't want to spend any more money. We get your cardboard and a receipt. So yeah, we have got a brand new. I was going to buy one on eBay second hand, but I thought, you know what, if we're doing it properly, instead of replacing stuff with second hand bits, might as well go brand new and buy new stuff. So we've got a new like full fuel sender unit. So we're going to show you today, just stripping it apart and then fitting the new one, and hopefully today this is the end of the fuel related issue. We might have to go back into it one more to run AM fuel lines. You might actually be able to help me actually, so we'll get to that in a sec. But as you can see, we've got a new fuel sender, and then to start adding to the turbo bits, we have got a Speed Factory map sensor. So 4-bar map sensor, K series black. Honestly, if you guys know what this is, please let me know because I have no idea, but all I know is turboed and supercharged K20s need this. So yeah, TEGIWA, you know the deal. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So as you know, 4 Phillips, bosh, 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 plate moves out. So hopefully you can see this now. So if you see just below where my finger is, obviously you saw in the video, that looks like the old split. So yeah, we're replacing the whole sender unit. So there's some fuel. Ah, God, that's kind of gone everywhere. Man, they built. Oh, do you know what? I've just primed the fuel pump. That's why. I just obviously make sure your windows and doors are well ventilated, because obviously working with fuel is not nice. So yeah, pop this bugger out, hopefully for the final time. Oh my god, put 20 quid in here just as well, so I'm gonna have a decent bit of fuel chilling in this. Yeah, git. So yeah, just make sure your area's all clean, and we're gonna take this out. So my fingers are going white already, man, because of the fuel. Right, so we are going to disconnect some connections now because I've let some of the fuel drain out. So if you see here, there is two connections. There is a white one like so, and then there is a grey one like so. I need this flathead, trusty flathead will do the job. Push that in, give it a little pop out. Keep up, boy. Come on, you get. Come on. Making this look well hard, man. Jeez. Jesus. Come on, man. Making this look way too hard, man. Jeez. All this is just under the clip. Are you smoking? There we go. Easy as that. So there. Well, say easy as that. That was quite difficult. And then there is a little circlip or little black connector in here, or let me pop this out, I believe. Yeah, that's what it comes out there, I believe. Maybe. Jesus. Right, so I made that look harder than it needed to be. Literally, it was just two connectors, one plastic connection here, one plastic connection here, the black connector down there, and literally just these two bits. Pull them out. Might as well get the last bit of fuel that we got. Every penny counts, doesn't it, lads? There we go. Jeez, how much fuel's in that? Right, so it comes with a pack of 2 O-rings, so I'm just going to reuse, put the new ones in. Pretty much they go back into there, or if you want to, you can just put them straight onto the unit. Put whatever works best, really. And then I've just got to connect that little puppy up there, and then hopefully see if it works. So yeah, this is so hard videoing on my own, like I really do apologise. Like, I can't do anything. Oh man, it's such a nightmare this is, trying to like do it on your own. Like I want to video it and show you, but it's so difficult. I might try the GoPro, on like a head mount or chest mount, and see if you can actually like, see what I'm doing. Because yeah, it's just hard because I want to show you and make videos, and it's like I'm doing a video and you can't see nothing. So yeah, let's get this in, and I'll get back to you when I'm putting the seal down, and yeah, hopefully it starts. Right then, so I think we're all in. That connector, so I pushed this white clip out of the way down there, and then I pushed this hose straight onto the fuel connector with the fresh O-ring. Then I slid this up the side, locked it in place, then pushed this whole as a unit up there to lock that in place. Lock that, 2 connections there, connection at the back. Look like we're ready to go in, folks. Let's give her a go. Right then, so we are all on. That seal was an absolute git to get on. So I've just connected it up now. Now I've got to do the electrical connection, and hopefully we're alright. So we'll see. I'm just going to take it out for a little spin, and see if it leaks again. Fingers crossed. That is it now. We should have no more issues. If anyone knows if I can get a connector from here, I want to go AM. What would it be? Would it be like a female kind of AM connector that clips onto that? And then literally, what kind of meter line would I need? Because I'm guessing it just goes on the end of the fuel pressure regulator. No, not fuel pressure regulator, the fuel line. So yeah, if anyone knows, please let me know. I'd massively appreciate it. Right, so that is it. I think it's okay. I started the car up, moved backwards and forwards a couple of times. The seal was definitely in. Oh, it's weird, yeah, because the seal felt like it was really big then. I don't know if it's like stretched or something, but so I popped it in, made sure it was like fully pushed down. Then I pushed the fuel tank, the fuel sender back down, and then cranked it up. I actually forgot to tighten it up. You know, literally as I was putting the screws in, I was like, I haven't actually tightened this up, so I've what is that? A big testicle. Thought me nuts. So yeah, tightened that up, started it up. Fingers crossed sound. I'm only gonna put 99 RON in it now, or 98 RON, whatever V power is. I think obviously map sensor, can't really do anything with the map sensor until obviously the bigger picture comes. But I think at the moment, I think rocker cover with AM lines, oil breather. Need to take the sump off, do the AM fitting for that. Obviously the bloke that's doing my work, I'm going to give it to him, and then I might even be able to see if I can video him doing some bits so you can see what he's doing. And then I think AC delete, so we're going to move the AC. I'm probably going to take it to a garage and get the AC took out of it, so like let the gases out, and then I'll take it apart, because obviously letting gases out into the air is supposed to be really harmful and stuff. So but yeah, and then obviously the case of taking the exhaust off and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I'm excited. Like I say, a bit frustrating on this one because it's so hard just to put a camera on a stand and like try and show you. But like I want to show you all my experiences, so whether it's good, whether it's bad, you know that when you watch me, you get what you get, because that's what I'm about, you know what I mean? So we're going to build this TEG together, we're going to do it. So I'm going to be building it, I'm going to be filming it, and you lot are going to be watching it, so you can actually know, do I get Gary to do it, or do I try it myself? And that's what it's all about, you know what I mean? Like, I love cars, I love working on them. So yeah, hope you all got this far, hope you really enjoyed the video. Like, share, subscribe, all that, you know, you likes mean a lot. So yeah, just want to say thanks, and see you on the next one. Peace. What time would you like me to post? When do you reckon's best? I feel like the midweek videos do better than the weekend ones. Any preferences, comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.